Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all! I'm Frank Garcia too. Before I start the year right, this is my tradition to say thank you to all of you for all your support throughout the years. One of the sweetest gestures that one can show is say thank you. A never-ending thank you to anyone that I feel grateful. In spite of how small or big, I express my gratitude as always. I would like to say thank you to all my friends in social media. In Facebook, with 540 friends. Lahat po yun kilala ko. Napaka-importante po sa akin ang quality over quantity. Sa Smule, with 3,850 followers. Enjoy lang po tayo sa singing. Enjoy sa music. And salamat sa palagi niyong pag-join sa akin. Sa TikTok, with 16,940, maraming pong salamat. Starmaker, with 431 followers. Wishing, 254 followers. Instagram, with 50 followers. Sa YouTube, yay! Tumataas na! 53 subscribers. 1,000 lang pang kailangan ko. And more. And Twitter and Kumu. Maraming pong salamat sa inyong lahat. And stay strong to all challenges in our life. It will be difficult, but there is no impossible in God. Thank you for the friendship we built. A never-ending thank you to all of you for always be there for me and for all your love and support. Again, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'm Clark Garcia to say thank you. And we'll see you around. Bye-bye. God bless you.